Hey, what's up guys? I'm Jagath and welcome back to my channel. So today, let us compare the photos and videos captured using the front cam of Redmi Note 8 Pro and Huawei P30 Lite. So let's get started. As of the specification, Redmi Note 8 Pro comes with 20 megapixel sensor with an aperture of f2.0. Huawei P30 Lite comes with 32 megapixel sensor with an aperture of f2.0. Okay, now let's take a look at the camera settings of both these devices. So now let's check the photo settings. Now let's check the video settings for Huawei P30 Lite. Okay, now let's check the settings of Redmi Note 8 Pro. Starting off with the photos, so let's see the photos captured during daytime. So during daytime, if we see, both these photos are actually very good. There is not much difference between both these devices. So considering the details in the photos, in Redmi Note 8 Pro, as we can see, the tree behind me looks brighter and greener, whereas in Huawei P30 Lite, it is actually a little bit dull. Next, moving on to portrait mode. So in portrait mode, clearly Redmi Note 8 Pro is the winner. It blurs the background and the subject is focused properly. While in Huawei P30 Lite, it actually does not blur the background. So the photo remains the same, just like the normal mode. In Huawei P30 Lite, it actually blurs the background only if we select these filters. Otherwise, it does not blur the background. Moving on to low light photos. Low light photos, as we can see, Redmi Note 8 Pro is actually better compared to Huawei P30 Lite. Then moving on to the next photo, if we see, I personally feel that the photo sample from Huawei P30 Lite actually has the original color tone, while in Redmi Note 8 Pro, I feel that it is actually a bit brighter. So again, in low light portrait mode, if we see, the photo captured from Huawei P30 Lite actually does not blur the background, while in Redmi Note 8 Pro, it actually blurs the background perfectly and it looks very good. Next, moving on to the videos captured using both these devices, starting off with daytime. Okay guys, so on my right side I have the Redmi Note 8 Pro and on my left side I have the Huawei P30 Lite. So this is the front cam video test of both these devices. So just like photos, again in videos also, it was actually very good. There was not much difference between both these devices. So if you all see, in Redmi Note 8 Pro, we can actually turn on and off the image stabilization, whereas in Huawei P30 Lite, we don't have that option. So this is the video quality with image stabilization turned off. Now moving on to the videos captured during night time. So on my right side I have the Redmi Note 8 Pro and on my left side I have the Huawei P30 Lite. So this is the low light video quality of both these devices. So now I am walking towards light. Okay. So now I am standing in front of light and this is the video quality. Now let's just walk away from the light and check how the video quality is. As we can see, the video sample from Redmi Note 8 Pro is actually better compared to Huawei P30 Lite. Even in extreme low light conditions, if we see, my face was actually visible in Redmi Note 8 Pro compared to Huawei P30 Lite. So this is again the video quality from Redmi Note 8 Pro and Huawei P30 Lite. You all see, now I have turned off image stabilization. So this is how the video quality looks. Again, just like the photo, in video also when I stood very close to the light, the color tone from Huawei P30 Lite actually looks natural, while in Redmi Note 8 Pro it actually looks little bit brighter. So then if you all see, in Redmi Note 8 Pro, we actually have the option for image stabilization, but with image stabilization turned on and turned off, I actually did not find any difference. Let's take the focus of both these devices. Redmi Note 8 Pro, as we can see, the focus misses at times, while in Huawei P30 Lite the focus is spot on. Okay guys, so that's it from this video. Let me know what y'all guys think about this video in the comment section below. If y'all find this video useful, please do hit the like button, share button, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.